Sue Bird is an American professional basketball player for the Seattle Storm of the Women's National Basketball Association. She was born in Sarasota, Nassau County, New York, on Long Island to Herschel and Nancy Bird. She has one sibling, an older sister named Jane. Bird was interested in sports from an early age, which was partly influenced by her athletic older sister. Besides basketball, she played soccer and tennis and ran track. Bird started playing amateur athletic union basketball in the 6th grade. While only 11 years old, she played during halftime of a St. John's basketball game. Her play was so impressive that a security guard asked for her autograph. Bird publicly came out as a lesbian on July 20, 2017, saying that she had been dating a soccer player Megan Rapinoe for several months. They announced their engagement on October 30, 2020. Her fifth Olympic gold medal at the 2020 Olympic Games in Tokyo makes her one of only two Olympic basketball players of either gender ever to win 5 gold medals, with the other player being her US Olympic teammate Diana Taurasi. Bird was drafted by the Storm first overall in the 2002 WNBA draft and is considered to be one of the greatest players in WNBA history. As of 2021, Bird is the only WNBA player to win titles in 3 different decades. Bird has the owner joint record for WNBA champions with the Storm, a historic 5 Olympic gold medals, 2 NCAA championships and Yukon and 4 FIBA World Cups. She is only of only 11 women to attain all 4 accolades. She is only a 5-time Europe League Women champion. She holds a front office position for the NBA's Denver Nuggets as their basketball operations associate. She has also played for 3 teams in Russia. During her WNBA career, she has been selected to 11 WNBA All-Star teams and 8 All-WNBA teams. Additionally, in 2011, she was voted by fans as one of the WNBA's top 15 players of all time and was voted into the WNBA top 20 as one of the league's top 20 players of all time. In high school, she was the New York State Player of the Year, the New York Daily News Player of the Year and WBCA All-American. In her senior year on the undefeated University of Connecticut team in 2002, she won the Wade Trophy and the Naismith Award as College Player of the Year. She finished her Yukon career ranked first in 3-point field goal percentage and free throw percentage, second in assists and steals, and as a 3-time winner of the Nancy Lieberman Award as the top point guard in the nation. While leading her team to a record of 114 versus 4, she competed with USA Basketball as a member of the 2000 Jones Cup team in Taipei, Taiwan. Bird started all 4 games and led the team with 17 assists, helping lead the team to be the gold medal. In 2018, Bird competed for Team USA during the 2018 FIBA Women's Basketball World Cup held in Spain, in which they defeated Australia 73 versus 56 to win the gold medal. By winning the gold medal, Bird became the only one player in history, male or female, to win 4 World Cup gold medals. Bird finished the final in 5 assists to bring her career total 107 assists in FIBA World Cup, making her the leader for the US most assists at the World Cup. In 2021, Bird re-signed with the Storm on a 1-year deal, which will allow her to play her 18th season in the league, moving her past Milton Jones for most season played in the WNBA. In a July 2021 game against the Los Angeles Sparks, Bird's first 3-pointer put her number 6 on the WNBA career scoring list, passing Kate Smith's 6,452 points with a total of 6,490 points and counting.